We are taking this walkway to Holly's hotel. It's in the afternoon. She just arrived about an hour ago. They checked into the hotel. It's not gonna sound. It's gonna rain soon. Look at that. Look at those clouds. Anyway, we're working our way over to Holly's hotel. She's staying at, I think it's called Cabana Bay. We're gonna meet them over there. They're gonna grab a bite to eat. Yes, Cabana Bay Resort is what that sign says. And then we're gonna walk over to Islands of Adventure. And it's gonna start raining any minute now. I feel the sprinkles. I feel it.
Cafe and Blue sounds weird.
It does sound a little spooky. A little spooky. I can feel a little sprinkles. So yeah, so that's the path that we take. Get over there, right over there is Universal. So we're gonna, and that's our hotel over there. I think it's right here. I don't know where it's at. I have no idea. But we need a wire. We'll figure it out. We picked up Holly and the girls. I should warn that Holly loves getting her photos taken.
I need water.
Abby does not.
No, I need water.
5 minutes and she's already dying.
Can I get water? Look at him.
Anyway, Holly's big on stopping for
Bob.
every photographer.
He's sweating.
I'm roasting like that.
Go get with your family and get over there. So yeah, I imagine we'll have to do like 20 stops because she loves it. She paid like a lot of photo pass or something. Like Disney does photo pass. I don't know what it's called here. So we have to get a ride photo on our ride. So you know what? Alright, we just got done with the whole roller coaster. What did you think?
It was awesome.
I hated it. It was terrible. Oh my god. It was scary. I was gonna open my eyes and then like it starts off really quick. I was done for. I had my eyes closed.
Yeah, it goes up to 70% really slow,
of the time.
and then it goes.
Yeah. But it was. I'm glad I rode it. We had to wait for the first row. The things I do for this girl. We waited for the first row.
No, I didn't want the first row. Haley wanted the first row.
Well, you weren't objecting.
Because you said, here, go into that row.
Alright, now we're at Harry Potter World, but the park's getting ready to close, so I think we're just gonna walk backwards.
Well, can't you just take unprofessional pictures?
Okay, so we tried to go to Harry Potter, but they diverted us around, but there's still people over there. So Robert thinks there's a light show going on, so it's no big deal. It's a half hour for the park to close anyway. We will focus on Harry Potter tomorrow. But yeah, so definitely you gotta get early because they were not letting us walk across there.
This is the bad side of that big on alley.
Yeah, so but look at that view. That's like a view over there. There's the hole. There's
It's
Abby
me.
being a ham.
What'd you say?
And
There's
then
a power. I don't know what that is. What is that?
it's a crane. It's a type of bird. It's a
Like
crane.
the claw machines?
Yes. There are claw machines called cranes and there are birds called cranes. Alright, they're leaving without us. Let's go.
Is that what they use? Like, they put the foot in the machine, and that's how they made a claw
Listen,
machine?
words can be used for more than one thing. Really?
What?
You're not going to say anything insightful? You're just going to... Alright.
I said 2 words, but you
Tell a
can't do
joke.
it. Hi.
That's a joke?
I don't know what a joke is.
Alright.
No.
Alright.
My daily jokes with Abby. Back off. I need more jokes.
Okay, keep walking. We don't know what Holly's doing.
Let me think of a joke.
You guys think of it. You got 2 seconds to think of a joke.
No, I know.
You got to turn back around because there's people coming.
I can watch it.
Alright, I'll come back to you.
Yeah.
Alright, we're at the chocolate restaurant getting shakes. They're making them over there. Milkshakes. So if you don't want to sit down in the restaurant, they have a line just for milkshakes and sundaes. And then, oh, I wonder, what was that noise? They're cocoa beans rotate. That's pretty cool. So she's making them over there. It's pretty cool. I am going to get the marshmallow crisp. You what? Confetti is...
What do you get? Oh, sorry.
No, that's okay. Did girls like Universal today?
Yeah.
So Haley loves the Hulk. She's crazy. Abby, what was your favorite? Jurassic Park?
I want my $1,000 signed poster of Tom Holland.
Okay, yeah, so the gift shop, she loves the kid who plays Spider-Man, and the gift
My
shop
favorite
had
thing,
autograph for like
my
$1,000.
favorite ride was the Hulk, but I wanted the clay sculpting so I could sculpt a dinosaur.
Can't either.
Yes.
The Hulk ride was my favorite, and the Spider-Man. Those are my favorites. And
Yeah.
the Jurassic World.
Yeah. So, hold on one second. So, like, Holly's mad at me because I told her on Jurassic Park you wouldn't get wet because we rode it this morning and didn't get wet. So we rode it a second time and look at how
This is frizzy from being wet.
they got soaked.
Joke of the day.
We all got soaked.
Tell the joke of the day.
All right, joke of the day.
No, I
Do the-
told you.
Do the sad one.
What's the saddest fruit?
Blueberry.
She just learned that.
All right, what's the other one? Do the other one.
What did the baby tomato say to mama tomato?
Oh my God, I forgot already.
Catch up.
Catch up. I love simple jokes like that. Oh my God, my hair's gross too. This is running around all day in Florida humidity. This is why I will never move to Florida. Her hair looks good. Mine
I
does
always
not.
look good.
Anyway.
They went from 149 to 152.
Confetti. Holly got Rice Krispie. I got Rice Krispie. She got confetti. And what did you get?
I already
Chocolate?
drank like half mine.
And Buddy got chocolate?
No, Heavenly Hazelnut.
It's definitely not a thick milkshake.
Well, probably.
That's really cool. The line is like incredibly long. Incredibly long. It's day 2. We're back to the room. This Florida humidity. Oh my God, my hair. Anyway, the girls and Holly are back at their hotel and they're actually swimming. Their pool doesn't close till 11. It's like 9 o'clock, isn't it here? 9:17. I'm tired. I don't feel like swimming. So they're doing their thing. We're back to the room. So when they got here, we met them at Universal, you saw, and we rode like the Hulk and the dinosaur ride and a couple other rides with them, and it was a lot of fun. The girls are a lot of fun to hang out with, and Holly and Buddy are fun to hang out with, and so we had a really good time. It's just the park was getting really crowded. It was crazy. And then, I don't know, we just had fun. I try to get as much video as I can, but sometimes I forgot because I was having too much fun. So tomorrow, my sister's crazy. So she's here, so now she's got like this whole like plan. Like Universal Studios opens early for hotel people at 7 a.m. So she thinks we're gonna be like in front of Universal Studios at 6:45 to meet them. I'm like, oh my God, she's crazy. She's crazy because they're swimming right now. So, and then we're going to Halloween party, and so it's up to her. She'll be at the park from 7 until the Halloween party closes at midnight. I can't last that long. Me and Robert plan on taking a break and coming back to our room tomorrow afternoon and then meeting him back at the park. We'll see how it goes. The Halloween party starts quicker than I thought, and we definitely want to be there right when it opens to go straight to Stranger Things because that is the most popular haunted house, and like an hour after the party starts, the wait time is already up to like 110 minutes. Crazy. So we definitely want to go to Stranger Things first. So anyway, that's tomorrow. We'll do that all tomorrow. So I'm rambling. I'm tired. This is what happens when I'm tired. And I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. I know it's early, but I gotta get up like at 5:30. 5:30, yeah. I gotta get up at 5:30 tomorrow. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.